Right, so next up is the Forge Motorsport intake. Best packaging so far, nicest box.
Yeah, you can put it in your wardrobe if you want.
Put it up next to your shirts and hoodies. But this is the first carbon intake that we've got. Thank you, Forge, for sending us this and getting involved with the test, and all the other companies as well. 3-piece system, there's a few funky bits with this. So this is an all-in-one hose. It eliminates the need for a separate inlet on the turbo. But if you do have a left-hand drive car, then you can't use the all-in-one hose because it's got a bracket on the inlet that you buy separately. So if you've got left-hand drive, you'll need the 3-piece system. If you've got right-hand drive like we have here, you can use all-in-one hose and the intake. I'm told this is one of the best hoses, all-in-one intakes. It's kind of the go-to.
They've got a great reputation, haven't they, Forge, with, you see it on a lot of Fiesta STs, Focus STs, Focus RSs. Forge are really well known for their intakes there.
They've been in the game a long time, haven't they? We recently had their GR Corolla up here with their intake on and carbon goods, and the carbon was really nice. But over to you, Matthew, once again.
I wasn't even watching you.
I will point out, Zach from Forge kindly sent us the intake up, and he says normally they have some packaging, it's like foam, and it's cut to shape.
Yeah. The same that you get in the clutches and stuff, yeah.
But we needed the intake quickly, so...
I mean, even this should be absolutely fine.
It's fine, but you said it is better.
To say that that's, that's not up to their standards, I think is really good, isn't it?
Yeah, package well, it's not going to get damaged in transit at all, is it?
No. Oh, mate, I think we might have a winner here. Got an actual microfiber.
Oh, no way. So this is our third intake test I think we've done. We've done GR Yaris FL5. Now EA888. No one's ever sent us a microfiber before.
That's good, that.
Yeah, that's kind of, you're not beating that, are you?
That's for people that care about their car, isn't it? But we don't have any instructions, do we? We do have them on the website.
Yeah, download your instructions.
Yeah,
so
I don't know if there'll be a QR code on the back of that or something.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. It's like Christmas, this, isn't it? Unboxing all the goodies. Oh, it's an actual, it's not even a TMU microfiber, it's an actual Forge branded. We've got a sticker as well, so you get a point for sending us one of those. Yeah, here it is, unboxed. As mentioned, it's a lovely finish, isn't it? And it's nice inside as well, because we've seen some kits they kind of ignore the.
Yeah, that's right. Which is important, because that's where the air's going. That's where you need the flow to be nice and smooth. You don't want it to be turbulent there. So it looks kind of rally car-ish or touring car-ish like it's done. And I assume there'll be some clips or something to go on there, or some bands to go around there.
Yeah.
That's really nice there, because that'll be very easy to service, very easy to access.
Got some, maybe they're under the hose that goes over the top of the standard lid.
Yes.
Maybe they're to go underneath, not sure until we fit it, but everything's branded up really nicely, isn't it? Even the branding on here.
Huge filter as well, really lots of surface area there.
Even though you're not going to see it, because it goes in there. Yeah, it's lovely.
Go on, they've got a little cutout here as well. We'll actually let you get to that Jubilee, so they've thought of that. That's really nice. Yeah,
really smart. And the setup that we've got here, again, you're into another price bracket really. £863.98, so that's for the intake and then the all-in-one hose. But you might be wondering, oh, that's more expensive than the racing line, but it's carbon fibre, isn't it? So it's more expensive to produce.
Yeah, it's one piece as well.
But yeah, it's going to look really nice, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
With the bonnet. So.
Yeah, it's going to tick that bling option if that's what you want.
Yeah, over to Matt again.
Captain Hook. Right, so we're not going to. Basically, the engine's screaming hot, so we're not going to remove this pipe, otherwise we're going to have a bad day. So we'll get away with it. That goes on there.
On the Forge Motorsport intake. Only 3.1 bhp made, but it is a gain nevertheless. Always good when they don't lose power.
Yeah, we are pretty much line on line from sort of 3,500 RPM. When it's finished loading it up, line on line until we get just over 5,000. When we start to gain, then this is where you're going to be changing. You change up a gear, you're going to drop back sort of here. So you are going to feel that gain. For how nice it looks in the bay, we perhaps were expecting a little bit more, especially with a name like Forge. They are typically pretty dependable in giving really good gains. It has warmed up a little bit in here, hasn't it?
Yeah, and I think other results prove that it still makes power. Maybe we've just not seen the power we expected to see, but...
Yeah, it might be that the map on this car doesn't necessarily suit that airbox very well, and we'd see bigger gains if it was mapped bespoke for that airbox. I think that's true for all of them really, but maybe that's what you need to do to get the most out of it.
Yeah, but it sounds good, it looks good, it fits good, and it's also nice that it's got the microfiber with it. I know that's just a little touch, but it's also got the undercoolant pipe as well included, so...
Yeah, it's really nice and tidy.
Yeah, nice one, Forge. Thank you for watching. All of these intakes, accessories, inlet elbows, hoses, all available at Tegiwa.com. Thank you to Matt for spending the day with us. It's been a while. It's been a good day. So yeah, thank you for coming down and helping us, Matt. Please like and subscribe if you need any parts for your MQB platform car, anything like that. Check it out at Tegiwa.com. Go buy an intake. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.